In our last lesson, we introduced prompt engineering. Now, let's dive deeper into why mastering prompts is absolutely critical for your success as an AI powered virtual assistant. Imagine you're a client and you hire a brilliant designer. If you just say, make me a logo, you'll probably get something generic. But if you provide a detailed brief, say your brand's mission, target audience, color preferences, and desired feeling, that designer can create something truly outstanding and exactly what you envisioned. AI is no different. Your prompt is that brief. A vague prompt will give you average results, but a precise, thoughtful prompt will unlock AI's incredible potential to deliver exactly what you need. For you, as a virtual assistant, mastering prompts translates into tangible benefits. Firstly, you save significant time and reduce rework. No more endless back and forth trying to get the AI to understand. Secondly, you'll achieve higher quality results from the very first attempt, whether it's content, summaries, or research. This leads directly to increased client satisfaction because you deliver exactly what they need, often exceeding their expectations. And finally, you position yourself as a cutting edge AI savvy VA, giving you a distinct competitive advantage. Understanding why prompts matter empowers you to actively guide the AI rather than just passively receiving its output. This skill is the key to unlocking AI's full potential for your VA business. Let's master it.